is I'm going to set up an email. An email addresses live in your hosting control panel here. So you've probably logged into whatever your bhaktimarga.country TDL colon 22222. You've gone in there and you've put in your username and password to get into the control panel. And then when you're in the control panel like this, you need to go down to email manager. Okay, so let's just go to email accounts. Here's a few email addresses which I have already in here. What I'm going to do is create an account, and I'm going to call this one test. Okay. Now, for the sake of this video, I've actually put in a pre-written password here. So you may want to keep a note of this because you may be putting it onto multiple accounts, like your phone, sorry, the same account but on multiple devices, like a phone, tablet, and computer. So I'm just going to copy that. What I'm going to do now is just put that in the password there. Okay. I'm going to put the quota at unlimited, otherwise it will just turn off when it hits 50 megabytes. The send limit you can put on at 1,000, but really, to be fair, like if you send 1,000 emails in one go, it's likely that most of them won't ever land in the recipient's inbox because it will get filtered as spam. Google probably will filter out anything above 10 emails in one blast, but you can put that up as 1,000, or you can just put 200. If you're going to send out a lot, you can hope for the best at that. All right. I'm going to press create account. There you go. So there's the actual details here. What I tend to do is just take a screenshot of that. So I've got that done. It gives me my mail server and a port and everything that I can use in my setup if I'm asked for these details there. Okay. So the email address is in there. Obviously, what you would then have to do is choose whatever email setup, choose whichever method works for you, whether you're going to access this through webmail, maybe you're going to use a forwarder and forward it to Gmail or Hotmail or something. You can set it up on Apple devices. I've got running it through Gmail. You can run it through Outlook, using Spam Assassin, which is to help with spam. You've got Thunderbird there if you don't use Apple Mail or Outlook, and I think that's it. Yes, there's a bunch of different mail clients you can choose from. Follow whichever video suits your particular device and what you want to set the email account up on. But at first, the thing you have to do, of course, is create the actual account, make a note of the password in case you're asked for it in the setup at any point in multiple devices. All right.